Ever found yourself in a financial bind, needing a quick answer about your Patriot Bank account, but staring blankly at your phone wondering how to actually speak to a human being? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced digital world, navigating customer service lines can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But fear not. This video is your ultimate guide to cutting through the digital noise and connecting directly with Patriot Bank's customer service using your trusty mobile phone. Think about it. You might have a pressing question about a recent transaction, need clarification on a fee, or perhaps you've misplaced your debit card and urgency is paramount. Sifting through endless FAQs or waiting for an email response simply won't cut it. You need answers, and you need them now. That's where the power of a direct phone call comes in. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of dialing, let's acknowledge the landscape of customer service today. Many institutions heavily rely on automated systems, chatbots, and online portals. While these can be helpful for basic inquiries, they often fall short when dealing with more complex or time-sensitive issues. This is precisely why knowing how to reach a live representative is still an invaluable skill for any bank customer. Patriot Bank understands this need for direct communication. They strive to provide multiple avenues for customer support, and calling via your mobile phone remains a cornerstone of their service. This method offers the immediacy and personal touch that other channels sometimes lack. You can articulate your specific situation, ask clarifying questions in real time, and receive tailored guidance directly from a bank representative. So, how exactly do you navigate this process? It's simpler than you might think. The key is having the right information at your fingertips and knowing the steps to take. Let's break it down into a clear, easy-to-follow process. Step 1. Locate the official customer service number. This might seem obvious, but it's the most crucial first step. You want to ensure you're calling the correct and official Patriot Bank customer service line to avoid potential scams or delays. Here are the best ways to find this number. The official Patriot Bank website. This should always be your primary source. Navigate to the Contact Us or Customer Support section. You'll typically find a dedicated phone number listed there. Be sure to double-check that it's the general customer service line and not a specific department number, unless your query is very specific, like mortgage inquiries. Your account statements. Often, banks will include their customer service phone number on your monthly account statements. Take a look at the top or bottom of your most recent statement. The back of your debit or credit card. Many banks print their customer service number on the back of their cards for easy access. Flip over your Patriot Bank card and see if the number is listed. Official Patriot Bank mobile app. If you have the Patriot Bank mobile app installed, there is usually a Contact Us or Support section within the app that will provide the necessary phone number. Important note. Be wary of searching for customer service numbers on general internet search engines. While you might find legitimate numbers, you could also encounter unofficial or even fraudulent listings. Always prioritize the official channels mentioned above. Step 2. Prepare before you call. To make your call as efficient and productive as possible, take a few moments to prepare beforehand. This will save you time and frustration, and help the customer service representative assist you more effectively. Consider the following. Clearly define your issue. What exactly is the reason for your call? Write down a brief summary of your question or problem. This will help you stay focused and articulate your needs clearly. Gather relevant information. Have your account numbers readily available. If your inquiry relates to a specific transaction, note down the date, amount, and any other relevant details. If you're calling about a card issue, have your card number handy, though you might be asked to verify other details for security. Prepare your questions. If you have multiple questions, jot them down in advance so you don't forget anything during the call. Have a pen and paper ready. You might need to take notes on important information provided by the representative, such as reference numbers or follow-up steps. Ensure you have a strong mobile signal. A weak or unstable connection can lead to dropped calls or difficulty hearing the representative. Try to make the call from an area with good reception. Step 3. Making the call and navigating the automated system. Once you have the correct phone number and you're prepared, it's time to make the call. Here's what you can typically expect. Dial the number. Carefully dial the Patriot Bank customer service number from your mobile phone. Double-check that you've entered all the digits correctly. Automated greeting and menu options. You'll likely be greeted by an automated system. Listen carefully to the menu options provided. These systems are designed to route your call to the appropriate department. Common options might include account inquiries, debit/credit card services, loan information, online banking support, reporting a lost or stolen card. Listen carefully and choose the most relevant option. Don't rush through the menu. Select the option that best aligns with your reason for calling. If you're unsure, there might be a general customer service or other inquiries option. Navigating submenus. Be prepared for potentially multiple layers of menus. Stay patient and continue to listen carefully to the prompts. The option to speak to a representative. Most automated systems will eventually offer an option to speak to a live customer service representative. This might be phrased as press 0, say representative, or a similar instruction. Listen for this option and follow the prompts. Step 4. Interacting with the customer service representative. Congratulations, you've made it through the automated system. Now it's time to speak with a live person. Here's how to make the most of this interaction. Identify yourself. Start by clearly stating your name and, if prompted, your account number. Clearly explain your reason for calling. Be concise and articulate your issue based on the notes you prepared earlier. Be polite and respectful. Remember that the customer service representative is there to help you. Even if you're frustrated, maintaining a polite and respectful tone will facilitate a more positive and productive interaction. Listen attentively. Pay close attention to the information the representative provides. Don't interrupt unless necessary for clarification. Ask clarifying questions. If you don't understand something, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. It's better to ask for repetition or further explanation than to misunderstand crucial information. Take notes. If the representative provides you with important information, such as a reference number, a follow-up date, or specific instructions, write it down. Confirm understanding. Before ending the call, briefly summarize the key points discussed and any agreed-upon actions to ensure you and the representative are on the same page. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.